tack is attack. Pad is matted black, got the boosters black to match. Riding on a horse, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch. Now, can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing.
I got a homies in my bag. Have you heard of that? Homies made still from career, dig the back. Riding to the farm, grabbing on the corner. We gon' get your money with my homie in your backyard.
Can't nobody tell me nothing.
Okay.
You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the Sawtown Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the Sawtown Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
Maserati, Rari, got that V12 in my drive. Foggy, rocky road, got a thriller inside. All I wanna do is take a pill, catch a chill vibe. Real push, something really done, real done. I'ma take a horse to the Southbury Road. I don't remember her name, but I painted on the nose. Country money, I don't gotta do no tours. I'm a menace, I got women try to sneak me through they doors.
Pray that it all fades. I hope yippee-yo-ki-yay. You ain't got no giddy up and giddy out my way.
Down cross town, living like a rock star. Spend a lot of money on my brand new guitar. Baby's gotta have a diamond ring to fit this sports bra. Riding down Rodeo in my Maserati sports car. Got no stress, I've been through all that. Like a Marlboro man, so I can't go back. I can roll on back to that old town road. I won't ride till I can't go more. Take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride. If I took you everywhere, then will you wouldn't know how to walk? If I spoke on your behalf, then will you wouldn't know how to talk? If I gave you everything and everything is what I thought, I can take it all back. I never care about what you thought.
I might spin the block and fight forces, buy the block and get a boss chick. Grown man, but when a hit, I might nitty rock and then get off it. In the new days with my old ways, game changed, but the name don't. My horse shades are they main folks. Got a lot of them, my whole stable. I don't lot of them, no fables. Rap dog, country flavor. Now we worldwide, made a big brand. Now our catalog is so major.